Welcome. I'm Dr. Doris, and you are welcome. I would like to talk to you about NLP for professional and personal excellence. Personal. You can learn how to communicate more peacefully, how to communicate in ways that you find solutions right away, which will improve your relationships with your significant other, children, or all family members. NLP for professional excellence will immediately make you a better leader and better team member, because you learn the kind of patterns that are motivating, engaging, and persuading. It will help you to increase your promotions and your sales. NLP will help you overall to be a more amazing person. I'm Dr. Doris, and you are so welcome.